Welcome to Vegan Tune-Up Cafe. I am Chef Sandy. For over 20 years, I have been making my own almond milk, and I'm going to show you how to make it. It's very simple. All you need is 20 raw unsalted almonds and 8 ounces of water. So let's get started. I'm going to pour my water in. There we go. And then I'm going to pour my almonds in. Make sure you soak your almonds and take the skin off before you make your milk. So you will have 20 blanched almonds. Let's put the almonds in. That's it. 20 almonds, 8 ounces of water, and now I'm going to put the top on and blend. And that's all you need to do. And your milk is done. It's very simple. I have lots more recipes in my Sensational Vegan Recipe Cookbook. You just have to go to vegantuneupcafe.com and you can order your cookbook and have more recipes. And thank you for watching.